this news analysis session, and we have listened all the opinions of different. We have listened the opinions of different students. So I also want to convey my own opinion regarding this news. So as we all know that a devastating incident happened in Kotwali police station, and a massive fire break out at the Kotwali police station, and due to this, a half of a dozen vehicles which was seized by the police who violated the traffic rules was totally destroyed. Firstly, all the police officers tried to douse the fire and control the situation, but they didn't get success. After that, the fire brigade was called by the police and they took to control the fire within 1 hour. But due to this, there were no casualty recorded in the police station regarding this situation. Only the traffic rules which was disrupted between the Dak Bungalow and the ID round out for more than 1 hour. After investigating on this situation, the police find out that or the SHO police officers Ram Shankar Singh said it was totally happened due to throwing bidi or cigarette, or it might happen due to the electricity spark, and only 3 vehicles were destroyed. So lastly, I want to tell you that all the police officers, whether it is in a higher post or whether it is in lower post, all the police officers have take their eyes on such types of situation so that it will not happen in future. Because if it will happen in future, then initially it will only, you can say that only vehicles will destroyed. But if such type of thing will happen in future, then it will be possible that someone will be then injured from this. Thank you. Never.
Newspaper, fire broken out Kotwali police station, the state capital. At least 3 fire attendants were passed in the service to thus the state of officer attached the fire and emergency service. We think some threw bidi or cigarette the premises which caused the fire. One hand, the SHO of Kotwali police station, Ram Shankar Singh, said only 3 vehicles were destroyed. We claim premises report point to short circuit in the cable over the parking. Conclusion: in this case, to avoid bidi or cigarette in a public place, and the electric cable over the parking avoid their type of activity. Thank you.
I came up with my news, and today our breaking news is that a police station, whose name was Kotwali police station, caught a fire in Patna. So now I am going to give the full report and the interview which was taken by me of the SHO of the police station will also be explained here. So on the Thursday evening, Kotwali police station in Patna caught a very big fire because of mysterious circumstances. No one knows why it happened, but there is only one thing, that many cars and vehicles were damaged in that fire, and also the whole police station got blew up. And in the interview with the SHO just conveyed his points that only 3 cars were just being busted, and he also conveyed the point that the fire was encouraged because of a short circuit in the wires of the police station. But there were also many people who saw a person throwing a cigarette in the police station, which could be a reason for this big fire. So lastly, I would like to say that you all are the public, and you all should justice about it. That who have did this type of thing, and you can just submit your answer on our website. So thank you.
This is me, Swami reporter. Today we just found and that in our Patna city. A fire has been caused. That is massive fire. And let me share with you all what happened in that city. In the Kotpali city on Thursday evening, in the police station, a fire has been caught, and that is so mysterious. That fire was so massive, and half a dozen vehicles were damaged and destroyed. And nearby the police station, most of the people became panicked and they started panicking. And then after one officer said that at least 3 of the tender were preserved into service to dose the fire. And the process took approx an hour. After this, they failed. Then after one officer said someone must have thrown BD or cigarette in the police station, that's why fire has been caught. And then after they just called to fire brigade and they just said police station has been caught fire. And then after one reporter came to SHO and they asked about SHO to what happened. Then the SHO just changed all the topic and they said the fire has been happened cause of short circuit and only 3 vehicles were damaged. So lastly, I would like to say that the SHO just did wrong thing and he just manipulated his topic. Thank you.
To all of you, and the girl behind the podium in front of all of you is Chekna Street. And today we all got a topic of a news. So what I said in front of you all the report. And on Thursday evening in Kotpali police station, there was suddenly a fire caught in the premises. So in that fire, half of dozen vehicles was damaged or destroyed. Because of this fire, there was more panic in the near area and the people was walking in that area. However, no reports recorded of people who was caught due to fire. And all the vehicles were parked in the premises of the police station, and one of the vehicles was seized by the police for the violation of the traffic rules. So the one police officer of the police station said that someone threw BD or cigarette. That was the reason of the fire. And after that, the fire brigade was came and tried to douse the fire. So. And also one of the SHO officer whose name was Ram Shankar Singh said only 3 vehicles were destroyed. And I am going to the conclusion part. So as read of the articles and the statement of the SHO who said that the reason of the fire is shortcut in the electricity. Thank you.
Devices got completely damaged in a fire, and it took around an hour and 3 fire tenders to got command over it. A policeman was present there says that someone just threw a BD or a cigarette from the outside which made the vehicles to burn. He also told that we tried to control the fire but they failed and then they called the fire brigade. But the interview the SHO of the police station says a completely different thing. He says that the reason of the fire break was electricity circuit and only 3 vehicles were burned. So what's your opinion on that? I am reacting upon this. This is reporter Divyanshu Kumar signing off.